another day, and I'm gonna start off by filling those traces in that I made yesterday, and then we'll take it from there. I've been doing some preparations on those, changing that as well as putting the tubes in here. This morning I had a meeting with a representative from Gira, which is the supplier of all the outlets, etc. we're going to have in the house. I am going to remove that little line because I think that's one of the issues we have with the damp problem. Basically it's filling up with water in here, so I'll deal with that and remove it, and then we'll see. It's actually more pleasant to work outside today than inside, even though it's misty and not great. There we go. I did way more work than I anticipated. I thought I would just do that line. I proceeded to do the whole thing. Hopefully that solves the issue with the damp we've been having here and over there. And if you guys want any advice on how to do that sort of work, you do it with the eyebrow. That's like the 5th time I cut my eyebrow open now. In this pace I won't have any eyebrows left in the future. They are disappearing quickly. The culprit is the handlebar on the trolley. I was supposed to do work indoors, but as you guys can see, it's getting dark, or it never got bright today. It's one of these misty days. Yesterday I did that. I haven't yet seen the results. It's super cold today. It's always like this when it's damp outside. It's damp inside the house as well. It's very cold in here. Anna is going to continue working in the office. Here she is. Hiding away. And I am heading upstairs to remove the old ventilation outlet. So that's done. Now I just need to fill that in. Yesterday we had discussion whether I was supposed to place a motion detector here or right over there, and apparently that's a better solution. I just need to figure out how to pull the cable from here all the way around this way down there, or if I can figure out a way how to get the cable basically all the way down there into that ceiling and then all around that way. So yeah, I need to figure that out. So we'll see how that goes.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, I've been trying to figure out a way to do this, and I think I'm gonna try and make a small hole down there by the floor and then go at an angle underneath and try to enter right about there. Now we'll see. Okay, I'm going to see if I can drill a hole here now and then try to pull the tube in from underneath. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Okay, so that was way easier than I had thought. I can now place the motion detector up there and one underneath here underneath the balcony, which will detect all of this area. The one upstairs will detect all of the upstairs area, which is fantastic. Okay, all I need now is mix up another batch, attach this, attach that, plaster it, paint it and move in.
Much later.
So it's been a couple of days. We've had some mishaps at the house. We were supposed to be having left already, but we haven't, which is luckily because we received these packages.
Ooh, tell me about it.
Corsten Architectural Detail. It's a company that we are doing a collaboration with during the spring. It's mainly for our windows and doors. We don't have the windows yet, as you guys probably know. But these are some things that we will be placing on our windows. So that's a
wow,
window
this is
handle.
so beautiful. Look at the details.
And I think, look at the packaging, it's amazing.
Ooh,
And this
beautiful.
is, yes, so that's for a bathroom
Beautiful.
and some other things. I'm gonna unbox a few things and I'll show you guys some bits, and I'll save some for the coming spring.
Yay! So exciting.
So we are out for a walk, and this is a newcomer. That's Molly. She's going to Sweden to a new family, and this little chubby guy or girl is also
a rescue.
also a new rescue. She's on a bit of a boot camp to lose weight
Anna's boot camp.
because she's been giving quite a lot of food in her previous family, I guess. So yeah, lovely evening. So they should be about the same weight, but yeah, they're not. Daisy, Daisy.
Several days later.
So we have a beautiful day here today. It's nice and sunny, but fairly cold. It's actually about 11 or 12 days later than the clip you just saw, and the reason for that is we had a flat tire, a cracked wheel, and sourcing a new wheel during Christmas in northern Italy was difficult. I went and bought a set of wheels that were mislabeled. They didn't fit the car. The new tires were delayed 10 days. And I then went and bought another set of tires because we thought that we would sort it out that way. We didn't, and I have now ordered a new set of wheels. So basically looks like I'm running a tire shop down there in the stables. It's filled with tires, but I'm really not. And I'm inside the villa to show you guys what we're doing with Corsten. You guys remember this old piece of furniture? That's gonna go here and house the sink. For that, we are changing these old knobs to these ones, which are in brushed brass. And we're doing a recurring theme of brushed brass in here, which I think will go great with the green. And we are also changing the door handles, the window handles. Unfortunately, we do love these old window handles, but we can't use them because the old mechanism is different to what the new windows had. We're also putting up these wall lights in here as well as in here. So basically that's the work I've been doing lately, preparing to be able to place these up here. So we're super excited about that. We do have some more things from Corsten that we'll show you guys in the future, but that's for 2025. 2024 is over, and it's been let's just say it's been a very, very slow year. We haven't made basically any progress. Very, very frustrating. There's so many things that went against us, but that's just how it is sometimes. We hope that 2025 will be better. Can't get much worse. And we hope that we get our windows. We hope that we can do the basement and move in. That's one of our bigger goals for 2025, to get 2 floors ready, or ready enough to live in. We have lived in the stables now for a year and a half, and that's a year and a half too long. So with that, I would like to say thank you to everyone who stuck around during 2024, liked, commented, subscribed, and I hope that 2025 will be more exciting, that I can produce more content, and that we can actually move forward with this little project. And thank you also to everyone who checked out the web shop. Much appreciated. And with that, I'm gonna end it, and I'll see you guys very, very, very soon. Until next time, ciao.